In this video, you will learn how to use this tool and how it can help you manage your investment and track your profit and loss. This tool is basically a Google spreadsheet, so you don't have to install anything. It runs on any web browser, but of course, you must have a Google account and an internet access. It's very user-friendly and only requires few inputs. It has 4 tabs. Instruction, the P&L dashboard, which includes some infographics and the list of the cryptocurrency that you have bought. It also has a buy and sell transaction tabs. First, go to P&L dashboard, make a list of the cryptocurrencies that you have purchased. The price get updated automatically every 3 to 5 hours interval. Then go to buy tab to log all the purchase transactions that you have made in any exchanges. Then go back to P&L dashboard. It will now give you an insights on how your investment and your cryptocurrency that you have purchased are performing in the market, such as the current value of the coins that you have purchased based on the current price versus your original investment, and some metrics like potential PNL and materialized PNL, and some important infographics as well. I'm selling these for only 100 pesos or $2. Alright, so if you're interested, just send me a message. We'll discuss further details. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye.